Beautiful, isn't it? This is Abhilasha and welcome to AB's Try Lab. Today we are going to try this beautiful multicolor eagle. So let's get started. Before we start with the colors, we need this outline. You can refer this page distribution. I have shared the links in the description box in case you want to refer an image. Once all important features are in position, I started with the final outline. And now we are good to start with the colors. Starting with the outer boundary and moving inwards, keeping the light pressure on the pencil. It's good practice to keep your strokes lighter initially, so that in case of any mistake, you can cover it up easily. Until we get the desired result, we will keep adding the layers. The key point here is darker outside, lighter inside, and the medium shade to mix them up. Finishing with some darker lines, I have used the dark brown instead of black. It makes it look less artificial. And finally, to cover up the empty spot, pick up a medium shade and add the last layer. Be careful about the lighter areas. Do not include them in this layer. And now the lower beak with some browns and yellow shades. For this area, we are going to use lighter shades with lighter strokes. We want this area to have soft texture, so keep your strokes closely aligned but with light pressure. Don't forget to blend the colors and draw some feather smudging in this area. And here comes my favorite portion, the eye of the eagle. Giving a rough outline with black, keeping in mind not to touch those reflection spots on the pupil. Just like what we did with the beak, starting with the outer boundary and moving inwards. Just the difference here is we are keeping our strokes a bit distant so that we can get a nice pattern for the pupil. And to give the depth effect, I am retouching with the darker shade. Although this section is darker, do not use the darker shades. Make use of the lighter shades in between. This will help you to get a nice feathery texture. Keeping the strokes closely aligned for the inner boundary. We want this area to look a bit softer. Whereas keeping some distance between the strokes for the outer boundary. Keeping light pressure on the pencil. Some finishing with the darker shades. And now the important and major part of this drawing, the feathers. Most. 'Most. 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 make sure that you are not using the complete line from start to end. Use small and equidistant strokes. If you are using closer tones, go for darker and lighter shade. Avoid using the medium shades. We don't want to give it a homogeneous look. Keep your strokes a bit distant from each other. Do not always go for black. You can use dark blue, brown or dark maroon. They help a lot. Using contrast colors together would give a better result. In case you feel some patch is looking homogeneous, don't worry, grab the darker shade and give it defining lines. Do not always go for black. You can use dark blue, brown or dark maroon. And this is the last and the lightermost area of this drawing. So I will use the lighter shades and absolute light pressure on the pencil. I hope this video was helpful and you liked it, and also hope that you will try it out. Don't forget to share your artwork with me. I would definitely like to share it on my page and also showcase in my upcoming videos. Till then, keep trying, keep smiling. See ya!